What up, everybody? This is Chase Bruner. I'm coming to show you what we're working on today. We're working on a Ford water truck over here. What up, Daniel? We working, trying to change a water, we're changing the water heater that's behind the heater core. Yeah, the heater core. Let's see what kind of truck this is. This is a Ford. I think it's a F350. Let me see. What Ford is this? What Ford is this?
F600.
F600?
Yeah, okay.
650?
Okay, try and pull it now. They're out.
Alright, well that's what I was talking about. They got the bolts we took off the top and bottom look like they're going to this.
Yeah.
So you pull it out this way.
Well, what about all
It don't
the
look like it pulls out on the inside. Yeah, when you do that, all the screws are moving like it's gonna come out.
Well, then we're gonna have to take,
I think we gotta cut this. It looks like somebody done did it before. If you look at the gasket and stuff around here.
Yeah.
That's gasket maker. It's all over this. So I'm pretty sure, if you come look at it on this side too, it is the same way. So the heater core right there. Watch when I'll shake the box around for you. Look at it. The heater core is right behind here. This is the fan for your heater core. I'm just moving it around so he can see what's going on in there. This goes to your heater core too. These are your radiator line. There's another radiator line right here. These go to the heater core, to in and out. The heater core started leaking from the bottom. Right there, it started leaking. You can see where it's wet, right there. Took out got the heater core.
Yeah.
Don't it come out this way? It looks like it does. Or it comes out the inside. Yeah, it looks like you gotta go from the motor bay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, this one, yeah, you come out this way.
Oh, let's see if you can get it in there.
No.
It looks too big.
Right.
Yeah. So we do have to take off the gasket maker.
Fuck!
So that means we really didn't have to take off this box.
You fucked up because you took it off.
That's not that bad. It clamps together. We got only 2 screws. It has a bolt screw right there, a screw bolt on the top right here, and it got this plastic plate in here. It got clamps all the way on the sides. Clamp right there, clamp right there, clamp right here, clamp right there, clamps all the way around there. Yeah, we're gonna have to cut this gasket maker on.
Let's
it's
get
cutting
these
off.
screws out first.
It's breaking off anyway.
Yeah, it's gonna break off, but when we pull it, they just get the screws out.
Yeah.
Okay, let me have the gun and the extension, please. And
the impact and the swivel. Here you go.
Thank you, sir.
I don't know if this is the right size. It might be.
It should be. Or it might be
Too
11.
small.
Yeah, I needed 11.
11?
Yeah, a short. It has to be long.
Where is it?
Yeah, I think it's somewhere over there.
I don't see it.
Oh, there it is.
He's taking the last bolts out of there. Just got a new alternator on it. Like it's leaking back there, you can see.
Hey, hey,
Yeah.
I think you have to hold it from the other side, bro.
Oh, okay. Let me check. Alright. Oh, here we go. This is gonna tell us what it is. Hold on.
I'm gonna. It just keeps on spinning.
Let us see. Let me see it. Go ahead and go. I don't see it. Nope. It's stripped out. This thing had pencils all in it. Pencils and pens. This was all inside. Right in here. Yeah, I see you moving it. It looks like you can almost pull it out. Okay, flat one?
Yeah, flat, please. Thanks, sir.
I don't tell you hardly nothing on this truck. Yeah, you gotta make sure all that stuff's clean. Look, they have matches in there and stuff. No!
Is that the only one? Everything else is loose.
Oh, I see it. I see more bolts. I see more bolts we need. I think they got 2 more over here.
Enrique, copy. Copy.
I need a long one.
We're having problems with the fixment. The winch motor won't start. I'm down here testing with my meter now. It's getting power everywhere.
Make sure that's what.
It looked like it when you was moving it around. Here's one
The
more.
winch motor,
Give me that long one. That long one's over here.
What long one? Oh, I don't know where.
Oh, it's right over
The
here.
hydraulics for the vibrator work, but the hydraulics for the hydraulic motor that operates the winch won't come on.
Alright, let's see. Hold on, one more. And it should be good.
There's one that's up
Here
here.
you go. Oh, you. Yeah, I see it.
Up in this corner.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the one I'm about to get right now.
Okay.
Can I get that one right there? Too small. I need a long 11. Daniel?
Say,
Never mind, I got it.
is he twisted? Nah, that's not gonna be it. Get it?
Yeah, pull it.
It's not gonna be it.
Yeah, that's it.
Look. Look, come here.
I'm looking.
Oh, you taking it off?
Yeah, I'm finished now.
Is it off?
Yeah.
Nope.
I see it move. Oh, I see another one. I see another one when you did it. There's another one over here. Look. One right there, one right there, one right up here. Alright, there's another one I gotta take off. I see now.
It's gotta be, it's this one.
It's in your corner. It's in the corner right there.
It might spin, so I'll hold it from this side.
Okay. Well, wrong one.
That's the one.
Give me that socket back.
The short one?
Yeah. Yeah, that's it.
No, let me see what it's doing. Let me see. No, I don't even think that's the one, bro.
Whenever you shake it, the whole thing moves. I think this is the one right here. Oh yeah, the whole thing fell now.
You're fucking up.
What?
Back. You're taking the wrong ones off. Come here, look. Come here.
What is it to the fan?
Look.
Is that one to the fan?
You took the one going to this. Look. When you took it off, this shit got all loose.
Oh, okay.
The one over here. These two put them back. The only one is this one. Look.
That one don't go to nothing.
You got. It has to have something. It just keeps
Let me
spinning.
see.
Either that, or I'm gonna fucking cut it.
Let me see. Let me pull this rubber back under here.
Yeah, do that. That's what you're supposed to do. It's right in the top corner.
I can't see nothing.
Okay, let me try.
What now? Could it be the overload right there in the front by the tow bar? Say again? I'm sorry.
There ain't one. There ain't one.
Found it?
Nuh-uh.
Let me see.
I pulled that rubber back and stuff and it ain't one under there. It might just pull out. There's one bolt stuck right here.
It's just that one, bro.
We might just need to put a pry bar behind
I
it.
already put a screwdriver.
It wouldn't pop out?
Look. I'll put it one again, but I don't want to break nothing else. I might have to just cut that motherfucker.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to cut it somehow.
Yeah. That's the last one holding it. After we get that one off, we can take this heater core out. This needs to be unplugged for the fan.
Where's the screw? Is this one?
Nope, right here. Right there. Take this on.
Okay. That's gonna be.
Oh!
That's gonna be through here.
I just unplugged the fan right here. This is just the fan, 2 plugs for the fan.
Ah, that's not even in the. Yeah, we're just gonna.
It
Have
looks
to cut
like
that
it just goes
motherfucker.
into the frame, huh?
Yeah, because
It
it's
don't go
nowhere
all the
over
way-
here. Yeah,
it don't go all the way
inside
through.
the frame. It's just fucking stripped.
Yeah, somebody probably put it on too tight and overstripped it.
What do you think? A salsa with a metal brake?
Sawzall metal blade.
Because a grinder, it's not gonna fit there.
Yeah, you're probably right. Maybe if you go like this way
With the salsa?
and like bend it a little bit in there and then yeah, that'll probably work.
I will bring the salsa.
All right. Yeah, we almost got it off. See if we got any other stuff holding us on. No bolts down there. We already took them off. Nothing over here. Already took that all off. It's like right there moving. Can't get that one off. We'll put a sawzall in there like this, bend it a little bit, and maybe that'll cut it instead of getting this all in the way. Well, we could probably cut this because this ain't doing nothing. It's just sitting in there. Got the Milwaukee sawzall ready. Might have to cut this shit to get out of your way. It ain't nothing. It's fire to hold something, but nothing's there. There you go. Whoa. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Fuck yeah.
Oh yeah.
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 That's right.
That's right.
Oh, now we got it. Now we got it. Watch this line right here. It's right in front of your box.
Oh, there's one more.
One more?
Yeah.
Where?
At the bottom.
Damn, I thought we got all of them on the bottom.
This. Here, let me see.
See what it looks like. Whoa. Look how bad it is in there. Rat been living in there. Yeah, it looks like it. Oh, there is one. There is one, Daniel. Come look right here. If you look right there to the corner over there, you can see threads. You see it at the bottom?
It doesn't have a nut.
Yeah, no.
That's the one I just saw.
I wonder why I don't. I didn't see no nut either. It might just be sitting on there. You see it? Look.
Yeah, this one?
Yeah, the one right there in front of your finger. Yep, right there.
I don't see no nut though.
Yeah, I didn't either.
Okay, go ahead and move
Sawzall it.
I'm gonna show you with my finger. Go in the inside.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll sawzall it too. Fuck it. Right here. This one.
It's just the nut we took off. It should be able to come out. Yeah, it's moving. It's moving. I feel it.
Hit it with the hammer, please.
It might mess up the threads.
Fuck it, we'll get another.
Hey, move it to your right. Move it to your right. Push the whole thing right and then pull it. There you go. There you go. The threads are just getting caught on this metal thing.
Here, let me see.
The threads just need to get pushed to the right a little bit. If you look at it, they're getting caught on that piece of metal. You see it? Is that it? There we go. We got it. Fuck it.
Fuck it.
Cut these zip ties.
Let me see.
Here you go.
Zip ties for what?
If you want this to get out your way,
Yeah.
you can always zip tie it back.
Yeah. I didn't know. Oh, I didn't know what you meant.
There we go.
We got this.
Damn, look how disgusting it is. Got all kinds of
Damn,
shit
we
in
should
there.
take a picture of this shit.
Look at this too. Look, it got rat nest in here.
How the fuck are we gonna take this off for?
Damn, look at all this.
Where's Enrique?
Holy shit. You want me to put it back in there to show him? Damn. That's supposed to be where the fan's blowing too, sucking air.
Oh, there was a nut, bro. We just couldn't see it.
It was on the back side. No, that's supposed to hold it on. Huh?
Oh, okay, yeah. Where did it break off from? Oh, right here.
Oh. Looks like it just sits in there, huh?
Yeah. That's alright. We could just fucking JB weld it or whatever.
Oh, yeah, yeah, like that one. Look.
Yeah. Oh, well. Okay, now to get this fucker off.
Yeah.
Okay, where's the screwdrivers?
Hmm.
Come on.
It looks like it. Yeah. It looks like it should come out of there. Look.
Look.
This is the tab holding it right there.
Yeah, I know, but
And this is the tab
that's
holding
a
it
one
on this
piece.
side.
All this is one piece.
Hmm. This looks like a.
Yeah.
This is the filter, huh? The air filter or something? No, it's not. Hmm. Hmm.
Damn, how the fuck?
Look.
Oh, that's what it is, bro.
Look, they got more. Is it? Yeah. Yeah, that's what
Yeah.
it is. And then this thing will come
that
off, I
has-
think. Right? Then the top will come off. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Look. It is. This is connected to this.
Okay, fuck yeah.
Yeah,
Let's
so
get
all
it
we gotta
then.
do is take these bolts out. So you gotta take this gasket off. Well, somebody stapled this on, look. So the gasket won't move. Damn, they got huge staples on this.
There it is.
Oh, you're gonna have to take these off too, look.
No worries.
There you go. Gasket looks like it's still okay. It's just a little messed up. That's the one we cut off right here. Fan barely moves, look. Should be able to spin it with your fingers. I guess fuck it.
And now these, right?
Yes.
Was that a 10, huh?
It looks like that. Yeah, 10 or 11.
Where'd you put it? Over here?
Yep.
Oh, it's this way.
Hell yeah.
Is that all? All one. You see any more? I don't see.
I think that's it. Oh yeah, there you go. Oh yeah. Hell yeah.
Oh yeah.
We got this shit. We know what we doing. Damn, look how much dirty it is in here.
Where's Enrique? I want to show this to him. Let me see if he's around.
Well, you can definitely tell nobody done this before. There's the heater cord now, guys. All we gotta do is get ready to take this out now. Look, it's just sitting in there. You can take it on out. Oh! So now it's gonna go ahead and slip on out. Clean all this stuff out, everything. This fan seems like it's going pretty slow.
He's not around.
But it looks worse under here. It's like mud almost. Hell yeah! Might need that piece. Paper clips and stuff. Like straight mud in here. Like not the same?
Almost, but no. Oh no, it is. Just this thing made it look different.
Oh yeah, that big thing on it made it look different.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's gonna help cushion it so it's not vibrating and bouncing around.
Yep.
It probably keeps it insulated too so it don't get too hot. Oh damn. Look at that big hole right there. Ain't no holes like that in this one. Damn, I can't believe that hole got in there like that. Looks like it almost rusted out, huh?
Yeah.
Definitely bad. Fuck yeah.
I put this the wrong way.
It looks like the right way because those have to go through there. You know this piece got to get hot too since the radiator fluid goes through there.
Oh yeah.
So that probably protects everything from not getting too hot.
We put some type of silicone so it'll glue it? 'Cause
Yeah.
it's not gluing. With this one, it was stuck together because it had silicone.
Uh-huh.
You see, it was glued like this,
Mm-hmm.
but this one's not sticking together. I guess we're gonna have to put like glue or something.
Yeah.
What kind of glue should we put?
Probably something that's okay with getting hot.
Like that gasket maker?
Maybe.
Uh-huh.
Well, it's probably not that sticky. Yeah, you're right. Well, it could, you know, but it breaks up after a while. Yeah,
Epoxy?
what about that? That should work. That Gorilla Glue's pretty damn good.
Probably all fucking dry already.
Probably gotta put a needle in it.
Oh yeah, needle, huh? It was
Yeah,
coming
poke
up.
it.
I saw it coming up.
Get one of them pointy screwdrivers. Yeah, there you go. Alright, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. We about to put all this stuff back together. Put the box back on. We showed you how to take it off. Now we gotta put it back together. That's how you take the heater core off. A Ford F600, I think. Or a 650, I have to check. Alright, I hope y'all have a great day. This is Chase Bruner. Peace out.